Are you tired of battling with your stubborn child? Imagine if you could turn those frustrating moments into opportunities for growth, both for you and your little one. What if ancient wisdom could help you not just survive, but thrive as a parent? Welcome to today's video, Handling a Stubborn Child with Stoic Wisdom. In the next 6 minutes, you'll discover practical, timeless strategies to bring more peace and understanding into your home. So stick around, because parenting doesn't have to feel like a war zone. First things first, what is Stoicism? It's a philosophy from ancient Greece and Rome that's all about focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. Simple, right? But when you're facing a child who refuses to brush their teeth or screams no to everything, it's a total game changer. Stoicism isn't about being cold or robotic. It's about staying calm, thoughtful, and in charge of your own reactions. And trust me, that's the secret weapon every parent needs when stubbornness strikes. So how do we use Stoic wisdom to handle a stubborn child? I've got 5 key principles that you can start applying today. Let's dive in. Principle 1, acceptance. Your child is their own person with their own will, emotions, and yes, those stubborn streaks. Stoicism teaches us we can't control everything, especially not another human, even a tiny one. Trying to force your child to behave a certain way often just makes things worse, right? Instead, accept that stubbornness is part of their growth. It's not a flaw. It's them figuring out independence. When you stop seeing it as a battle to win, you'll feel the stress melt away. Focus on guiding them, not forcing them. Principle 2, emotional regulation. Picture this. Your child refuses to eat their veggies, and you feel your temper rising. Before you know it, you're in a shouting match. Sound familiar? Stoicism says we can't control the situation, but we can control how we respond. Next time, take a deep breath. Tell yourself, I've got this. When you stay calm, you're not just diffusing the moment. You're showing your child how to handle frustration like a pro. They're watching you, soaking it all in. Be the calm they need. Principle 3, modeling behavior. Kids are like little mirrors. They reflect what they see. Yell and they'll yell back. Stay patient and they'll start to pick up on that too. Stoicism encourages us to live with virtue. And as parents, that means being the steady rock in the storm. Next time your child digs in their heels, try this. I see you're upset. Let's take a minute together. It's not an instant fix, but over time, they'll mirror your strength. Pretty cool, huh? Principle 4, setting boundaries. Stoicism loves discipline. Not the harsh kind, but the kind that builds growth. Kids actually crave boundaries. It makes them feel safe, even if they push back. Be clear about what you expect and what happens if they don't follow through. Like if bedtime is 8 p.m., don't let it slide to 9 just because they're whining. Consistency shows them stubbornness won't rewrite the rules. It's about creating a stable space where they can flourish. Principle 5, empathy. Ever wonder why your child's being so stubborn? Sometimes it's their way of saying, I'm overwhelmed, or I need attention. Stoicism pushes us to see things from their side. Next time, pause and think, are they tired, hungry, feeling ignored? Try saying, I can see you're frustrated. Let's sort this out together. You're not caving, you're connecting, and that connection can turn a tantrum into a teaching moment. Parenting's a marathon, not a sprint. You won't master this overnight, and that's okay. Stoicism is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate the wins, like when your child puts on their shoes without a fight. And guess what? Every challenge is a chance to grow stronger yourself. So to recap, accept what you can't control, regulate your emotions, model good behavior, set firm boundaries, and show empathy. These aren't just ancient ideas. They're tools for modern parents like you. If these Stoic tips hit home, smash that thumbs up button and share this video with other parents who could use some wisdom in their toolbox. Drop a comment, tell me your biggest parenting challenge, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on raising kids with purpose. Thanks for watching. Let's keep growing together.